It is the next morning again, and we have decided that because Ronwin has had a little bit of time to get used to these new does being in here without him being able to attack them, we're going to let him out and see what he does. If he's good, we'll leave him in here and things will be great and normal. If he doesn't do a good job and he still bugs them or attacks them, then we are going to switch him and Ivanhoe and put Ivanhoe in the colony and see if he does a better job. Okay, Bubba. This is kind of rusty, so... Oh! It's opening much better than I thought it would. Oh, here we go. Come on. There we go. Okay, Bubs. Come on out. Come on. Come on. Go out. Look at that. Let's see what he's going to do. He's just smelling stuff. I guess that's good. Smelling is good. Marking his territory. That's good. Good boy. What does he do? Let's see. Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Yeah, he's going out. He's chasing him like crazy again. Alright, Bubba, say goodbye to your friends and family. You're going in rabbit jail, and Ivanhoe gets to come out of rabbit jail. Come here. There. Look at that. He's bigger. Oh, look, he's bigger than Ronwin. That's good. New territory to mark. The girls are kind of confused and attacking him a little bit, which is normal. Completely new rabbit in their territory. Yeah. But this is good. Girls attacking new rabbits is okay. Boys attacking new rabbits, I don't know. It's not okay. It's not expected. Oh yes, so many things to chin. Ivanhoe's never been in this colony or in a colony setting quite like this. We had an accidental colony set up in our pasture pen. We had 2 does who were old enough to breed, give birth in there, and so he has been around pregnant rabbits before. He has behaved very well, especially when the does were giving birth and with those little babies who were in the pasture pen. So he's been a good buck and a good father before. He doesn't like kill babies or constantly try to breed does before, so we know he's good with that. But he's never been in a colony setup quite like this, so this will be a new experience for him and for us. If he does behave badly, then we'll decide what to do from there. But so far, he doesn't even seem to be interested in any does, and he's just chinning to mark his territory. And then it's time for you, Bubba, to go in the pen of shame, because you are not doing so good. Here you go. Woo! It's hard to do one-handed. So you have already water and hay and a little hidey house, as well as a dust bath, and you get to chin everything and mark your territory, so that's going to be super fun for you for a while. So enjoy being alone, you bad behaved boy. Everything else he's fine with. He's an angel, amazing, perfect buck with everything except for behaving when we have new does in the colony for the first time. Oh, does that make you so happy? Do you love digging? Oh, spraying pee? Okay. That's expected, but kind of gross. If Ivanhoe continues to do good and we decide to keep him in the colony, like, for a long term, then, like, this is great because he's actually bigger than Ronwin, which I didn't really realize until we had him, like, side by side. So that's really good. Maybe we'll have bigger babies from a bigger buck. You know, faster growing and stuff. We are having a bout of fighting between Acrobat and Ivanhoe. Both of them are doing it. And now it's gone. So this is normal and expected. That bout, oh my gosh, that was so good. Just a quick little thing, no wounds or fur, just a few little hops over each other, and now it's done. That is what I love to see. That is so much better than Ronwin. You are so good. You're doing so much better. Ivanhoe and Elodie. Oh, and Acrobat? Elodie, you be nice. Oh, she's bowing to him. That's good. He's gonna want to breed her. And then she's like, no, sir. And he's trying to breed them, but he's doing it really respectfully and politely. He's not harassing him or anything. He's just kind of kindly trying, which I like. It's the perfect mix between, like, he's going to get his job done if they let him, but he accepts they won't let him when they don't want to be. This is like the perfect, this is the ideal behavior. It's just in the middle between doing his job and not doing it too much. Oh, Ivanhoe, I'm so glad we chose to put you in. You are doing amazing. Look at Cambria snuggling with the babies. You're one of the only adults who ever goes under there. She is doing so good. Both of these new does are doing so good with the babies. They were like grooming each other earlier, and they're like snuggling with each other. Oh, touching noses. That's so good. So they're not hurting them at all or being weird. They actually seem to really like them and like love them. So that's really good. What a good girl, Cambria. Good girl. This is making me so happy, guys. I'm just so happy right now. The girls don't really seem to mind him after, oh, an encounter with Ivy. What's gonna happen? Acrobat was kind of messing with him for a little bit. Elodie, who's the herd queen, I was kind of worried about. But so far, he just seems interested in marking his territory. And the does just seem interested in leaving him alone for the most part. So good. Oh my gosh. This is working out better than I hoped or expected. Oh, this is so amazing. I love it so much. So much better than Ronwin. So much better. Our two new does are still kind of freaked out from being chased and attacked. So they're still kind of running around being freaked out. But no one's chasing them or attacking them anymore, so that's good. What a good boy, Ivanhoe. What a good boy. I'm so glad you're our new buck. I hope you get to stay here forever and ever. It's going to be great. Just keep doing what you're doing, and you can stay here forever. It is evening time once again, and both Ivanhoe and each of the new does are doing pretty much okay. Both of the new Angoras are still a little bit skittish, and they're getting chased around a tiny bit by some of the other does as well as Ivanhoe sometimes. And Ivanhoe is still adjusting a little bit to being in the colony, but overall everything is going pretty well. So that is very, very good. Now that Ronwin is out of the picture, everyone else is behaving normally and well. So I feel confident leaving them tonight. Both new Angora does and Ivanhoe are still doing amazing. It's a few days later, and so I'm going to end the video here on a very happy note. Thanks for watching!